Hello, wonderful All Saints students. This is Mr. Gall, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about electrons and electron arrangements. So, the first thing that we need to know is what is an electron? An electron is a negatively charged particle, and it moves around the nucleus in something that's called an electron shell. Electron shells are the energy level in which an electron orbits the nucleus of an atom. So now the question is, how many electrons can each shell hold? So shell 1 is completely filled with 2 electrons. Shell 2 can hold a total of 8 electrons. Shell 3 is filled with 18 electrons, and shell 4 can hold up to 32 electrons. So now we need to learn a little bit about electron arrangements. I'm going to be first looking at silicon. Silicon has 14 electrons. We know this because the atomic number of silicon is 14. So if I draw the electron arrangement, the first shell holds 2 electrons, the second shell holds 8 electrons, and the third shell has 4 electrons. So its electron arrangement is 2, 8, 4. Now let's look at this on the model. And on our model for our first element, I'm going to be doing oxygen. And oxygen has a total of 8 electrons. So each of these different colors represents an energy level. So energy level 1 is represented by purple. We're going to fill that up with 2 electrons. Now, since oxygen has 8 electrons, how many will go in the second shell? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. That is the total number of electrons for oxygen. So its electron arrangement would be 2, 6. Now I'm going to take a look. I'm not going to clear my board because I'm just going to get bigger. I'm going to take a look at sulfur. Now sulfur, it's still going to be filled with 2 electrons in the first shell. Right now we have 6 electrons in that second shell, so we need to fill it. Total of 8 in the second shell. 2 plus 8 is 10. So how many would go in the third shell? The third shell is going to need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 6 is 16. That's sulfur. 2, 8, and 6. Our last one that we're going to take a look at is copper, which has a total of 29 electrons. So starting one more time, we have 2 plus 8 is 10. Then in this next shell, we need a total of 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. That fills the third shell. And then which leaves 1 left over. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 18 is 28, plus 1 is 29. So our electron arrangement would be 2, 8, 18, 1. I hope that makes sense to you. Please don't hesitate to email me. Thank you.